Hi, my name is Jennifer Newell, and I am absolutely thrilled to be the ELD and Spanish 1 teacher at Bryant Middle School this year. I am a lover of language. I am bilingual in English and Spanish, and knowing two languages has made a huge difference in my life in terms of the doors that have been opened up for me and all the many things I'm able to do and the opportunities I'm able to take advantage of because I know two languages. In fact, one of the reasons I have this job at Bryant is because I speak two languages. So I'm very excited to be working with the English learners in our community to support them in learning another language, English, but I'm also looking forward to teaching and working with students who are monolingual or who don't know Spanish yet and are learning, who know English and are learning Spanish. So I really believe that learning a language means, learning any language means really experiencing that language. So I'm really going to be exposing you to some real life opportunities, ways of interacting with each other. I know it's going to be hard when we're still online on the computer in Zoom, but we're still going to work really hard to have authentic interactions with each other, to see language in authentic ways. I want you not just to be exposed to language or learn language, but really be able to use it, even as a beginner in a new language. So I am so excited to be at Bryant. I've been in the Salt Lake City School District for 23 years. I've been teaching for 25 years, and I'm really excited. This is my first year at Slicksy Bryant, and I could not be more thrilled. I'm so happy to be here with all these amazing students and administrators and teachers, and I think we're going to have a fabulous year. I look forward to working with all of you.